Hey everybody, welcome to another baseball card break with Matt. Today we have picked up a hanger box of the 2021 Diamond Kings baseball pack, guys. This right here is 20 cards per box, and it says that you can find 3 short prints and 2 inserts per box on average, guys. And it says 1 hanger box exclusive red frame parallel per box on average. So, getting a bunch of cool stuff in 1 hanger box, guys. I picked this up at my local Walmart, got lucky, walked in there, and there were 4 of these hanging up on the little hanger. So I went ahead and snatched all 4 of them, guys. Hate to do that, but the way it's getting hard to find cards these days, I kind of had to have some content for you guys. But know that we don't flip them, guys, on my channel. We buy anything, we're going to rip them open. So you can see it is a 170 card set, including 100 base and 70 short print. So those are your little odds right there. People want to pause that and look. So here we go. Let's go ahead and fire this bad boy open and see if we can get any cool little hits and autographs, stuff like that. Some people have been having some luck. A lot of people haven't been having that good of luck, but still cool to find baseball cards in the wild like this now, guys, because when Target stopped selling cards, it just made it really hard for me to find cards now, guys. So I'm just going to have to get whatever I can. So here is the pack right here. It comes in a little cellophane. Go ahead and open this up and see if we can get any hot rookies or any relics or hits like that. So here we go. Pack is open. Starting us off, guys, we got a Ted Williams. That's really nice. Got DJ LeMahieu. We got Ron Sandberg. We got a Sixto Sanchez rookie card. I'll stick all my rookies to the side. We got a Honus Wagner. We got Sherton Apostle rookie card. Stick him to the side. Got Joe Morgan. Vlad Guerrero Jr. We got Luis Gonzalez rookie card, guys. That's pretty cool. I like the way those cards are made, too. Like I said, Panini has some fire. We got Fernando Tatis Jr. Andres Jimenez rookie card, guys. Check that out. That's nice also. I like those ones. Here is our red parallel right here, guys. We got the Freddie Freeman right there. So that's pretty cool. Little red border parallel card right there. I like that. That's awesome. So here we go. We got an artist proof rookie card, guys, of N. Anderson. That's pretty cool. Here we got a Mookie Betts Gallery of Stars. That's always good to get a Mookie Betts. Here we go. An artist palette, Kyle Lewis, guys. That is really nice. Check that out. Good old Kyle Lewis right there. I really like that a lot. Wish that was numbered, but still. We got Daz Cameron rookie card. Dane Dunning. Christian Pache. Look at that. That's a nice card right there. Dude's doing pretty good. We got a Bobby Dalbec Diamond Kings. It's really nice. And the last one is going to be Sandy Koufax. Good old Sandy Koufax right there, guys. So, pretty cool little scores. Got a bunch of rookie cards. I like this Mookie Betts Gallery right here and this artist palette right here, Kyle Lewis. That's really nice. I really like the way these cards are, guys. Like I'm telling you, if Panini could seal that that MLB licenses deal, dude, these cards would be so much better looking than the Topps, guys. And I love Topps cards too. Don't get me wrong, but I mean, come on, look at all this cool looking stuff you get in one blaster. All right, so we got a Christian Pache rookie card. That's pretty cool right there. Dane Dunning's rookie card. Daz Cameron rookie card. An artist proof of N. Anderson. That's really cool. We got Andres Jimenez, Luis Gonzalez, and Sherton Apostle, and a Sixto Sanchez. So, a lot of rookies right there, guys. Let me know down in the comments what was your favorite card of tonight's video, and I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful week. Peace.